Quick unboxing here of the, get out the packaging here. Something I'm completely new with. The Eco Dot. This is the Generation 3. Yeah, this is apparently the third generation of the Eco Amazon Dot. So this is completely new to me. I don't know too much about it, but I thought I'd do a quick unboxing and a review of the product after it's all set up, what it can do, and how to use it, and possibly how to set it up. As you can see, it says Alexa, play today, top hits, call mom, what's the weather, Alexa, oh, I guess it's in French. You compare it to, all Bluetooth items that's made by Amazon, plugins, light bulbs. You can do your whole smart home. You can turn your home into a smart home with just this one unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box. Is there a way to open it without a knife? Here we go. So we'll open the packaging up. And I got the black version, as you can see. So it's got the volume up and down. And I think this is where you can turn the mic off, so if you don't want it to listen, you can just hit this. But I'm pretty sure you can tell Alexa to stop listening and it will do it anyway. So it's got the soft mesh clear around the sides. In the back, it's got your power. I think you can plug this into your sound bar or stereo. There's really not too much about the product itself, just the design. It looks like a hockey puck. There's a lot of unboxings of this unit out there on YouTube, but I'm just going to give you my advice about it if you're interested in buying one. I do recommend buying the third generation over the new fourth generation because a lot of people say that the sound from the third generation is pretty good. They say the fourth generation, it's got good sound quality, but it's a little more, there's not much, subwoofer, or there's no bass. It's kind of in the high-end version of the sound. I'd rather have a little bit of both, so I would hold off on the fourth generation, but I'm going to give you my opinion on all that. In the packaging, you have your booklet. I do believe it's just French and English. Your paperwork. Yeah, and then in the bottom here, you got your power adapter. Has Amazon on it, and it's a 15 watt. Focus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up, and then I'll give you a demonstration of, I have a light bulb and stuff. I'm going to start installing light bulbs in the house, where I don't use remote controls for fans and stuff, but I'm going to start installing light bulbs and plugins and stuff just for the hell of it right here, just to see how it works. And I have one coming for the Christmas tree because I don't like crawling underneath and unplugging it, so I'm going to give you a demonstration of how that works. I have a Firefox TV, Fire TV coming that you can run with the Echo Dot, and all that. So I'm going to do a demonstration on the unpackaging of that product and setting it all up and working my TV, shut my TV and everything off, finding channels. You can do it all from this one unit. So what I'll do is not really much to the Amazon product itself, just showing you, but you have Amazon Music. You can use Apple Music, Spotify, Air Canada. You can get CBC, which I will never watch any news source, period. It's just stuff like that. You can run a lot of stuff off just one unit, but Fire TV coming out is going to be a big bonus. We'll see how it works. I have been using Chromecast, Google, and I seen reviews online of the Google Mini and that stuff, and the sound of it and stuff like that was the sound of the item just doesn't sound too good, but apparently it's a little smarter. It answers your questions a lot easier and quicker. But I'm going to do a demonstration of this to see how it works. And if I don't like it, then I might switch to the Google Mini. But anyway, you guys, let me get this set up and then we'll go from there.